Good morning, it is Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video. I will do my best to capture live trades as they unfold. Market opens up in T-minus 60 seconds, so let's see what happens. Okay, got some shares here at 57.80. We'll look to sell those at 57.95 on WAG here. Obviously, massive gap down, and it's a well-known stock. I mean, Walgreens. So a lot of times with these well-known stocks, people are willing to buy them, whether it's just even because of the perceived notion of value. A stock down this much, and they want to say, "Wow, I can't believe such and such company, which is so well known, is down." So that's why I don't mind building up a position if I can. But if it wants to give me a quick 15 cents, that'll work too. So I will keep you updated on the trade. Looks like I might be able to build up a bigger position here. If I can get some more at 60, that would be nice. Hi, Joy. My daughter's down here right now, so we'll see how this goes. Let's see. Well, I was hoping for a lot more volatility than what's going on right now. So yeah, maybe my wow, this is quite disappointing. I thought for sure it'd have more volatility. Maybe I'll just try to get out at 57.85 and go find something that's moving around a little bit more compared to this. Well, if 80 can break, it might be able to actually pop, but there's a lot of sellers sitting there right at 80 right now. And there it goes to the downside. Could not break 80 on that attempt. Looks like it might give it another. There we go. So there's the break to the upside there. And there's the bounce I was looking for. I'm going to get out there just because 58.09 looked like a pretty big resistance. So there we went. Actually made, what was that, 28 cents. And you saw the 57.80. As soon as that was broke, it popped immediately. So good little example of how level 2s can help you out in terms of resistances. Let's see what else I can find. But yeah, like I said, not too keen on the volatility of this one, although it looks like it's maybe starting to change a little bit, but I'll let you know. All right, now we're getting some volatility here. Went short at 58.65, and we'll see if I can cover at 55. But I mean, you gotta look at this as, if anything, some sort of dead cat bounce. It may bounce some more, and that is fine, but it is still a bearish environment regardless. So here we go, looking like I'm going to be able to short some more at 59.15 if it can get up there. May come down and short some more at 95. So there we go, got those. Now my average is 58.90. Probably try to do some more at 58 or 59.15. Okay, got those. Now my average is 58.98. So obviously going to be able to build a bigger position here. So this is what I was hoping for. I just kind of want to see where it may settle down. It's looking like it's struggling up here around the 15 area. So I'll do some more at 25. A couple more up there. Now I'm just converting down to 100 share lots. So got those. Now my average is 59.03. There we go. Throw some more up there at 45. Okay, got those. Average is 59.10. Put some up there at 55. Now if I get a pullback, See it roll over, that would be fantastic. Or I'm gonna build an even bigger position. So let's see what can happen here with it. Looks like 30 is somewhat of a support. All right, I'm going to pause it, and I'll keep you posted whether or not it looks like I'm going to be able to get some more shares, or it looks like it's going to roll over for me. Well, here we go, starting to move down some. I will keep you updated. So there we're getting, now I'm just moving my orders down, see if we can get another break. Got a couple of them filled at 59 and then 58.99. Remember, my average was 59.09. So let's see if it can get back down there. Just need another break of 56 or 59, excuse me. You can see the candlestick here right on the verge. Just need to roll back over, head down, and it should be a nice little move here. We'll see if it can get enough downwards momentum to roll over or not. Well, 59's, as would be expected, acting as an area of support right now. There we go. Well, it was temporarily down. Still acting as that support. Well, I don't like these big bids that I'm seeing. All right, there we go. There, now it's fallen. And all out there. So 246. Probably should have been a little bit more patient here, because if this really rolls over, you know, I had over 1,000 shares. That would have been a nice score. But you know, I'll take you know, the gain that I got there. Let's see if I can catch some more trades. And just to give a quick little update, that's why on the well-known stocks, a little bit more aggressive. If this wasn't a super well-known stock, you know, I would have given this a little bit more time to roll over and see if it revisited here. But again, Walgreens, very well-known. You can see here. And, you know, it still pulled back very significantly, went as low as 58.70, and my average was 59.09. So that was still would have been a nice size score, which I didn't totally capture. But, you know, this is what I was cautious of. You can see here that was as far back as it went, and now it's pushing to new highs. So just kind of, you know, keep that in mind. How well known is a stock, you know, on a gap down or a gap up? And you know, if it's one of these well-known ones, you know, when you have these at seems like every stoplight in America, you know, it's a very well-known stock or well-known company name. So you know, just got to be careful of stuff like this. You know, and this, I'm not going to say happens every time. Sometimes, sure, these will roll over, but you know, that's why I wanted to be much more cautious. Whereas more, if it was unknown stock, yeah, I would have given it more time to see if it could roll back over. But you know, keep that in mind. Do have an order to short at 60.50 if it wants to, you know, break out some more, but we'll see what happens. Going for some shares here at 23.60. I got 100 of them, I guess. Let's see if it can get back up there. Sorry for the lawnmower. All right, well, it's pausing out there, so if I can get these covered down there at 23.50, fantastic. If not, I'll just start to rebuild the position up here. But this chart very overextended. If I were to bring over the 5-minute, you'd see exactly what I mean. So, and look at that. I swear, sometimes the market, don't you ever feel like the market's against you? Right when I get filled, then it totally collapses. But and did I nail the high? So right there, the power of charts. I had to order in at 23.60, and that's exactly as high as it went. So I'm not bragging or patting myself on the back, but I am padding and bragging about technical analysis and charts. You can see right there, beautiful example, nailed the top. Unfortunately, as you can see right here, they only gave me 100 shares out of the 500 that I wanted. So, but that's kind of how it goes. But you know, if this one wants to keep getting overextended, then I'm going to short it some more. So we're at 10 minutes, so I'll try to capture one more trade here. All right, I'm just going to wrap things up. It's 10:11 a.m. still at the 2:56 mark. Only really kind of been half paying attention, working on some other things. So I'll try to keep this one a little bit shorter compared to yesterday's video. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video and you're watching this on YouTube, then I'd encourage you to please just click the like button down below. Sorry, I wanted to get an order put in there in case it drops down to 22.65 where that moving average is. But if you're watching this on YouTube, please click the like button if you found this video helpful and liked it. You know, I don't mind doing these videos, but you know, if I had my choice, I probably wouldn't do them just because it's much easier to trade on my own. But you know, if I know people are liking them and enjoying them, I will continue to make them. And a great and easy way to do that is to just click that like button below. If you're watching this on my website, then leave a comment below. You know, I like to hear from the community. I like to hear from new people, from people that have been around a while. So please do leave comments. Very simple but effective way to let me know that, you know, to engage with me and let me know that this is all worth my time and effort. So thank you for watching. Check out my trading group. Check out you know, the courses I offer. Everything can be found at claytrader.com. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you learned something.